Hello everyone, and welcome back with this resource guide for first-time homebuyers. In this section, we will be talking about who a first-time home buyer is. A first-time homeowner is someone who hasn't owned a principal residence for the past 3-year period ending on the date of acquisition of the new home. An individual that has no way possessed a property. Even if their partner was a homeowner already, the two may purchase together as first-time homebuyers. The U.S. Department of Housing and City Development established criteria to help distinguish first-time homebuyers for Federal Housing Administration loan programs. A first-time homebuyer is an individual who meets any of the following criteria. An individual that has not held power in a property during the 3-year time period ending on the date of the purchase. For couples, if one mate is or was a homeowner but the other has not held a home, both consorts are considered first-time homebuyers. A single parent who has only held a home with a former mate while wedded is considered a first-time homebuyer. Any person who is a displaced mate, has worked only in the home for a substantial number of times furnishing overdue menage services for family members, and has only held a home with a mate is considered a first-time homebuyer. A person that has only possessed a home that isn't permanently fixed to an endless foundation in agreement with applicable regulations, a mobile home. The benefit to qualifying as a first-time homebuyer is access to programs offered through Federal Housing Administration. Programs can include low mortgage rates, low down payment, low lending costs, and loans for lower credit scores than needed for conventional loans. Finding a home, receiving finance, making an offer, getting a home inspection, and closing on the purchase are steps in the buying process. It's critical to maintain your property and save money once you've moved in. This brings us to the end of this section. See you in the next section. Thank you.